If you want to speak with me or any member of my team, you can click our case submission button on our website. You can call me at 8779-SELLER, or you can just email me, cj@amazonsellerslawyer.com. Amazon sellers all over the world, and especially Amazon sellers from China, often have their businesses, accounts, inventory just frozen and shut down by temporary restraining orders issued by the Northern District of Illinois, which is the federal court in Chicago. So I'm going to talk to you about a case in behalf of two different Chinese sellers today and what we are doing to help them and get their business restored. But before we get to that, I want to make sure that you're aware that you can text me with your issues, you can email me with your issues, you can call me on the telephone, which I prefer, and you can also submit your case online, which for the rest of my team is probably the best. But anyway, I'm an old school guy. I like to talk on the telephone. So anyway, when a Chinese seller or an American seller or an Australian seller, wherever you're located, your account gets frozen by a court, Amazon has no choice but to comply with the court order. But you have power. You have power. You can hire us, especially if it's the Northern District of Illinois, because you have to be admitted to practice there, and I am. File a formal response to the lawsuit, immediately demand the other side turn over information, and then as quickly as you can, file a formal request to the court to dissolve the restraining order against you and dismiss the case. So if you are the subject of an order freezing your account, don't hesitate. Here it is again. Text me. Submit your case online, call me, or email me.
Hi, my name is Christopher Toomey, and I'm a paralegal here at Amazon Sellers Lawyer. I wanted to reach out to all the sellers in the Lisbon area. I'm going to be in Lisbon from September 2nd to September 6th. If you feel like meeting for a coffee and discussing your Amazon issues, please feel free to reach out. My number is 212-321-5080. Please contact me via WhatsApp 1-516-880-5883 or via email christopher.t@amazonsellerslawyer.com.